Hey guys, it's a beautiful spring afternoon here in Casper, Wyoming. I got my Kemimoto mirrors right there on the seat of the Navi. Let's go and put them on right now. Alright guys, if you guys tuned in last week, you guys know that I bought these Kemimoto mirrors on Amazon for less than 40 bucks. I think they're about $31.99 with tax, and obviously you gotta have them shipped to you. And as promised, I said, I'd make an install video on this. So, you know what? Let's get started. Okay, so step one is to just unscrew the mirror off of the bars right there. And yeah, you just gotta turn it counterclockwise and it comes right off. So after removing the old mirror, the next thing you want to do is you want to put one of these new screws in, and the easiest way to do that is to get the old one and to kind of compare the size of them. And another thing I did was I removed the little rubber piece that kind of hides the little bolts on the mirrors. All right, let's get started. So once you get that on there, the next thing you want to do is you want to remove the top piece from there using the tool on the far right. That will allow then for you to put the mirror through it, and then obviously you would put those pieces through that hole on the mirror right there. Okay guys, so once you put the mirror on and tighten the nut on the top, the last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna have this little plastic piece that they give you that comes in the bag. Just place it on top and there you have it. Well, let's get the other side done. So before I finish installing the mirror, I thought I should do a little side-by-side comparison of the two. Obviously the one on the left is the Kemimoto mirror, and just in my personal opinion, it just looks so much sleeker and sharper and sportier. Looks like something that would probably belong on a Ninja 400 or 650. Yeah, no, I think it'll make the Navi look that much more sportier and sharper, in my opinion. All right, let's finish putting it on. Okay, guys, here's what the finished product looks like. Just one last step you want to remember to do is you want to fasten that bolt right there on both sides. Besides that, there you have it. It looks so much sleeker, so much nicer, and yeah, I think this is a great 30 bucks, 32 bucks spent. All right, be sure to stay tuned as I have more of these types of videos coming up on my channel. Thanks, guys.